Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a squishy makeover with two squishies. My mom has the other one. My sister's gonna do one too, and I'm doing this little coffee. So let's get started. So I'm gonna use the white first and cover the whole squishy. Got these squishies for Christmas. And boba the candy, because I put candy in the orange. You don't want to paint another coat if the paint's still wet, because if you do, it's just going to take forever. Need white too. Oh, I got a spot. That's my sister. Let this first coat dry, then I have to do the second coat. Welcome back. So it's time to do the second coat on this squishy now. After 30 minutes of hour. See the logo, it's still there, but it's gonna take like 3 or 4 more coats to make it go away, or 1,000. for the bottom. This is probably the last coat of white, then we're gonna move on to colors next. Welcome back. Now I'm gonna start on the cup, which is gonna be blue. Then on the straw, it's gonna be purple. Then for the whipped cream, and they're just gonna be little polka dots of brown for chocolate chips. This is a thin layer. Thin layer here. All right. I think this first coat is done. Here, use now I'm gonna carefully do the straw. Tulip fabric paint. It goes really good on squishies. I know this from Moriah Elizabeth. Check out her channel. She's really good at fixing up squishies and doing homemade kind. She could tell you in one of her videos, she said that she would tell you where to get off the paint and stuff that she has for it. But my mom just found the stuff at the store, and we're kind of copying her, but not really. I'm gonna use a smaller brush because this one's like making lines. I'm almost done with the brown, and we're gonna let it dry, then do a second coat on the cup, because the straw is fine, I guess. There is a lot. I'm done. Now I just have to let this dry. Then we can do another coat of blue and then let it dry, then we get to do the pink. Start on some of the pink. I'm gonna use a smaller one. I'm almost done. Alright, so before I say goodbye, please like and subscribe. Bye!